These 5 habits are ruining your life and you might not even realize it. 1. Procrastination. Putting things off just turns small tasks into last-minute nightmares. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Come on, when you need to poop, you don't procrastinate, right? Handle your tasks with the same urgency. 2. Negative self-talk. Your brain believes what you tell it, so stop calling yourself stupid or lazy. Would you tolerate someone else talking to you that way? Exactly. If a stranger said that, you'd block them instantly. So why let yourself live rent-free as your own hater? 3. Phone addiction. Checking your phone every 5 minutes destroys your ability to focus. Try this. Put your phone in another room when working. You will get 3 times more done. Plus, you'll finally stop lying to yourself that scrolling memes at 2 a.m. counts as research. 4. People-pleasing. Saying yes to everyone means saying no to yourself. Boundaries aren't rude, they're necessary. Even Netflix asks, "Are you still watching?" So you can say no sometimes too. 5. Skipping sleep. Every hour of lost sleep costs you next day productivity. Protect sleep like your success depends on it, because it does. You're not grinding, you're just turning into a zombie with Wi-Fi. Ditch these habits and watch your life get easier. Which one's your biggest struggle? Let me know and hit subscribe. Don't worry, the button doesn't bite.